The Mercedes-Benz B-Class W245, produced from 2005 to 2011, features an air conditioning system that is crucial for maintaining cabin comfort during drives. This video will guide you through the steps to enable or disable the AC system effectively. The AC system plays a key role in keeping the interior comfortable, especially in varying weather conditions. To enable the air conditioning in your Mercedes-Benz B-Class W245, start the engine. Then locate the AC button with the snowflake icon on the climate control panel and press it. Adjust the temperature using the rotary knobs and set your desired fan speed. For automatic regulation, use the auto mode. The AC button will illuminate when activated. There are several ways to disable the air conditioning in the Mercedes-Benz B-Class W245. First method, press the AC button on the climate control panel again. The light will turn off, disabling the cooling function. Second method, switch to Econ mode using the dedicated button. This saves fuel by reducing the air conditioning load on the engine. Third method, if your vehicle has the command system, disable the AC through the menu options for more precise control. In winter, ensure no air recirculation is active to fully disable the system and prevent unwanted heating or cooling. The air conditioning system in the Mercedes-Benz B-Class W245 consists of several key components that work together to cool the cabin air. The compressor is the heart of the system, driven by the engine via a belt. It compresses the refrigerant gas to high pressure. The condenser is a radiator-like component that cools the compressed refrigerant by releasing heat to the outside air. The evaporator is located inside the vehicle and absorbs heat from the cabin air, creating the cooling effect you feel. The expansion valve regulates the flow of refrigerant and creates the pressure drop needed for cooling. The refrigerant, specifically R134A, is the working fluid that circulates through the system, absorbing and releasing heat. Disabling the AC can save fuel, with estimates of 10 to 15% improvement in city driving conditions. Keep in mind that the blower fan, which circulates air through the vents, continues to operate even when the AC is turned off. Knowing these core components will help you troubleshoot any issues that may arise in the future. Disabling the air conditioning can improve fuel efficiency by 5 to 10 miles per gallon, especially on highways. Eco-friendly refrigerants like R1234YF are becoming standard in newer vehicles for better environmental impact. Retrofitting with electric compressors enhances efficiency by reducing reliance on engine power. Using the air conditioning less often will help preserve the system for longer. The B-Class W245's air conditioning system can develop common issues over time. Compressor failure is one of the most frequent problems, often caused by low refrigerant levels or mechanical wear after years of use. Refrigerant leaks are another common issue, leading to reduced cooling efficiency and potential system damage. These leaks can occur at seals, hoses, or the compressor shaft. Mercedes' proprietary software can complicate DIY troubleshooting and disabling, making professional diagnosis essential for complex issues. Preventive maintenance is crucial. Regular checks can prevent 70% of AC issues, according to automotive experts. This includes annual inspections and refrigerant recharges every 2 to 3 years. While some basic maintenance can be DIY, consulting a mechanic saves time and prevents costly mistakes, especially with high-pressure systems and electrical components. Experts recommend annual AC inspections to prevent common issues and ensure the system operates efficiently. According to statistics, AC failures account for 12% of all complaints for the W45 model, making regular maintenance crucial. Disabling the AC when not needed can improve fuel efficiency by 5 to 10 mpg on highways, as shown in EPA testing. Take the advice from experts to keep your AC running efficiently and avoid costly repairs. When dealing with your Mercedes-Benz B-Class W245 air conditioning system, safety should always come first. Here are the key safety considerations and final tips. In extreme heat conditions, like temperatures above 50 degrees Celsius, disabling the air conditioning can cause cabin temperatures to rise dangerously fast. This creates a risk of heat stroke for occupants, especially children and pets. Air conditioning systems contain high-pressure refrigerants that can cause serious injury if not handled properly. The electrical components also pose risks of electric shock or fire. Always consult a professional mechanic for any AC work. Make sure your air conditioning system is functioning properly to maintain safe cabin temperatures. Regular maintenance helps prevent failures that could compromise safety. Finally, always consult your local mechanic for advice tailored to your specific vehicle and driving conditions. They can provide the best guidance for maintaining your B-Class AC system safely.